Hello everyone, welcome to the demo for the Bulk Interaction Updater Figma plugin. This plugin allows you to update a lot of different interaction variables across various frames that you select. I've gone ahead and triggered the plugin here. The only key requirement is you already wire up your prototype before you can update any of the interaction variables. So I will go ahead and do that. Doesn't matter what the values are, just make sure that it's wired up. Then go ahead and bulk select all the frames you want to update the interaction patterns for. On the left side, you see the current interaction values. And on the right side are some of the settings that you will go ahead and update. So I want to make sure that all of these automatically trigger based on a delay function, and then add smart animate with some ease out. Once the values are set, with one click, you can update for all the frames. And you can go ahead and confirm that it's available as well. Perfect. Let's go ahead and check out the prototype. And there you go. It just works. And this plugin is flexible to also work with different types of layers. So in this case, we have a button as well as a frame with different interactions that we want to make more consistent. So I'll go ahead and select the button as well as the frame. And both of them should be available in your previous screen. Let's go ahead and set the different functions. This time we might do a bit more complicated custom Bezier. With one click, you update the interactions for both the frames. And let's test out the prototype. Great. Thanks for hanging out. I hope you like to use this plugin and it's valuable for your workflow. Thank you so much.